Welcome to Oven Foods. Today we are making a creamy and refreshing mango kulfi with the sweetness of ripe mangoes and rich homemade custard. This frozen dessert is perfect for hot summer days. Let's start the recipe. First pour 2 cups milk into a pan. Cook over medium heat. Keep stirring continuously to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom. Let the milk come to a gentle boil. Keep stirring the milk while boiling to prevent it from sticking. Now add 3 tablespoons sugar. Mix well until the sugar completely dissolves. In a separate bowl, take 3 tablespoons custard powder, half cup milk. Mix well until you get a smooth mixture without any lumps. Mix the custard powder with cold milk to avoid lumps. Slowly pour the custard mixture into the boiling milk. Keep stirring continuously. Kulfi is one of the most popular frozen desserts. Cook until the mixture becomes smooth and thick. Turn off the heat and let the custard cool completely. Now take 1 ripe mango. Cut into small pieces. Mango is often called the king of fruits because of its rich flavor. Transfer the mango pieces into a blender. Pour the cool custard mixture into the blender. Allow the custard mixture to cool completely before blending with the mango. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. Now pour the mixture into a steel mug. Cover it with foil. You can also pour the mixture into kulfi molds. Cover each mold with foil. Insert a stick through the center. Freezer for 6 to 8 hours or until completely set. Once frozen, gently remove the kulfi from the mold. Freeze the kulfi for at least 6 hours for the best texture. Unlike regular ice cream, kulfi has a naturally dense and creamy texture. Homemade kulfi lets you enjoy fresh fruit in every bite. Mango is naturally rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. Milk provides calcium and protein. Your homemade mango kulfi is ready. Creamy, fruity, and wonderfully refreshing. It's the perfect dessert to cool down on a warm day. Make it for your family and enjoy the sweet taste of fresh mango in every bite. Follow Oven Foods for more easy homemade dessert, refreshing treats, and delicious recipes.